Namaskaram. We are very happy to celebrate the Indian Independence Day with all of you with this beautiful composition Vande Bharatambe. The original music video for which was conceptualized by the Trichur brothers. We thank them and their team for allowing us to use that music for this presentation. Hope you enjoy, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe. And to support us further, please consider becoming a patron on Patreon. Links in the description below. Namaskar.
Vande Bharatambe Varadayike Paradevate Vande Bharatambe Varadayike Paradevate Vande Bharatambe Varadayike Paradevate Vande Bharatambe Varadayike Paradevate Vande Bharatambe Sundara Himagiri Magudam Sudum Sundara Himagiri Magudam Sudum Hindu Sagaram Padam Tanodu Sundara Himagiri Magudam Sudum Hindu Sagaram Padam Tanodu Maranta Surabila Malarvadi Gani Manava Hridaya Magodavadayini Maranta Surabila Malarvadi Gani Manava Hridaya Magodavadayini Gari daga ni daga gama dama ni dama da ni dama Gari daga ni daga gama dama ni dama da ni dama Gari daga gama ni da ni dama ni daga gama Gari daga ni dama Gari dama ma Gari daga ni dama Gari da ni ma Gari daga ni dama Gari da Vande Bharatambe Puradana Kirtigal Vilasidumamme Nin Padarakshaykay Arya Puradana Kirtigal Vilasidumamme Nin Padarakshaykay Anavadi Kodigal Davasandadigal Aniyani Chernu Varuno Jangal Anavadi Kodigal Davasandadigal Aniyani Chernu Varuno Jangal Gari daga ni daga gama dama ni dama da ni dama Gari daga ni daga gama dama ni dama da ni dama Gari daga gama ni da ni dama ni daga gama Gari daga ni dama Gari dama ma Gari daga ni dama Gari da ni ma Gari daga ni dama Gari da Vande Bharatambe Varadayike Paradevate Vande Bharatambe
Namaskaram. India is a land of 22 languages, 13 scripts, 720 dialects, 8 different classical dance styles, over 100 folk styles, music, literature, culture, the tallest of the mountains, deepest of valleys, arid deserts and lush green forests. We have everything, and what we need is justifiable pride and togetherness. Celebrating the spirit of India on this Independence Day, I was inspired by this beautiful composition conceptualized by Trichur brothers. I came across this piece last year and I took permission to choreograph for the same. Being an artist myself, I understand the value of intellectual and artistic property. Once I took permission from them, I started just listening to the music over and over again until it became a part of my thought process on a continuous basis. After which, the things that inspired me are the variety of flora and fauna that we have in India. And I wanted to bring that out, but in a relatable manner, and which is why I have used motifs of our national animal, the national bird, and the national heritage animal, and things like that, in a nritta or a pure dance section. I was also inspired to keep the intent of the lyricists and the composers. Because this was a tribute to the armed forces of India, I have brought in the concept of how our ancestors have protected its borders, initially with swords and spears, and later on our armed forces give their life, sacrifice, although with guns and grenades, at the border so that we can sleep peacefully. But what can we do as citizens is keep our voice heard. This is brought up in another nritta or a pure dance section. I have also tried to explore the different classical dance styles and brought in glimpses of what is unique in them. I request the great gurus of each dance style to pardon my mistakes because I amn't trained in any of them. I am only trained in Bharatanatyam and a little bit in Kathak, but all other dance styles I essentially just approached seniors in the field, took guidance, watched them perform, and tried to imbibe those styles in a very Bharatanatyam trained body. And I realized how much goes into all of these cultural art forms. Celebrating them with all of you, presenting Vande Bharatambe. And I hope you liked the composition and the choreography. To get more insights into the choreographic process in even more detail, and to get glimpses of exclusive behind the scenes, support us to make more productions like these over on Patreon. Links in the description below. Namaskaram.